Hello everyone, welcome back to my PopMax video. In today's video, I want to explain the break-even points in PopMax. So it doesn't really matter how much money you have deposited for the purpose of staking to earn PPT in PopMax, you will always break even at 100 days if only you choose the 360 days contract. Now, remember what I said. For you to break even in PopMax, you need to be on the 360 days smart contract. That is only when you are going to break even. And the 360 days smart contract is the most popular contract so far that I recommend for people to join and choose when they eventually want to stake, because you will earn daily 1%. Okay, so I want to share with you very quickly the spreadsheet I have prepared long time ago when I started PopMax. Okay, this spreadsheet shows you the expected earnings from PopMax. No referral is required in this example, just so you know, because I believe that some people in my team or majority of my team members do not refer people. Okay, so they will like their money to make money for them. They will like their money to generate more passive income for them. Okay, so the disclaimer here is that this is just an illustration. We do not guarantee results. Individual results varies according to your contribution and effort. Okay, and I did mention in the beginning of this video that for you to break even at 100 days, you need to have chosen the 360 days staking contract. Okay, if you want to achieve this result, because this is the only time you are going to get 1% on a daily basis. So based on that 1% on a daily basis, on my far left hand side here, the column that says capital deposit, okay, the minimum is $100, as you know, to start PopMax. So if you deposit $100, for example, you are going to be earning $1 every day, because it is going to be 1% every day. So 1% of $100 is $1 every day. If you are earning $1 every day, it means in 100 days you are going to make back your $100. That is the break-even point that I'm talking about, as you can see from this column L. Okay, you can see that I said break even is 100 days. So, and you will also notice that no matter how much you have contributed, okay, when you choose the 360 days staking period, you are always going to break even when you reach 100 days. Now, in terms of months, we are talking about 3 months and 10 days. Okay, so if you have been in PopMax long enough, you would have made back your initial capital deposit and then be able to play with house money afterwards. Okay, so on my left column here, you will notice again all the examples I've given based on the capital that you want to deposit, okay, up to $10,000. So for those of you that are asking how much will they deposit to earn minimum of $100 on a daily basis, the answer is $10,000. That is what you are going to deposit for you to earn $100 on a daily basis. So that means in the next 100 days, 3 months and 10 days, you would have made back your $10,000. And what I recommend at that point is for you to withdraw your capital. Okay, because that represents your capital. And then after your 100 days, you can play with house money. You can do whatever you want to do with your money. If you would like to practice 50-50 strategy, you are more than welcome to do so. If you don't want to do 50-50 strategy, if you want to reinvest 100% of your income, then that is fine. That is 100% fine. But just to play safe and to reduce your risk, I usually do break even in all my platforms. It doesn't matter which platform I am going to talk about. I will always implement my strategy, break even, withdraw your original deposit, and then from there on, you can play with whatever you have left. That way, you know that your original money that you brought in into the platform, you have made it back, and you have taking that money back to where you brought it from, and then whatever you're going to earn after that will be, house money. That is what I call it. So guys, that is it, short and simple. That's how to break even, and that is when to break even. As you can see from here, everything in PopMax is done via Trust Wallet or decentralized wallet. So it could be SafePower wallet, it could be MetaMask wallet, but I recommend you use Trust Wallet because Trust Wallet is better and easier for you to be able to navigate, especially if you are brand new to this industry. So therefore, to get started, the minimum is 100 USDT BEP20. You must have that in your Trust Wallet, and you must have $10 worth of BNB Smart Chain for gas fees or transaction fee. Okay, and then you will be able to register and get started minting or staking PPT with the link below this video description. As you can see, even this, our member that has just freshly deposited $7,425. Okay, this is his personal deposit, 7,424. So this guy is going to be earning 1% daily because he chose the 360 days contract. Okay, so therefore, if I go back to my spreadsheet here, and if we go and locate between 7,000 and 8,000, because he deposited 7,425, you will notice that this guy is going to be earning about $74 on a daily basis, guys. $74 on a daily basis. Okay, so the higher amount you deposit, the higher amount you make, and the 1% daily profit. This person as well recently deposited $5,885, and the person also chose the 360 days smart contract, which is great because he's going to be earning that 1%, which is about $58 a day. That's a lot of money, guys. Right? So this is how to check when to break even. And remember that any amount of money you have deposited in this platform, when you reach the end of your smart contract, okay, because we have between 30 days or even 10 days to 360 days, right? So any of the smart contract terms that you choose, your original capital deposit will be given back to you when you finish that contract. Okay, so for example, this 360 days staking contract, when you finish and complete your 360 days, they will give you back any of the deposit you have made in your account. They will give it back to you plus your profit. So that is something that is really, really cool about this platform. And I just thought I should share this opportunity once again with you guys and let you know when to break even for those that are asking, how do I break even or when do I break even? Okay. Now remember, your break even days is based on the day and the amount of money you have deposited. If you do a multiple deposit, okay, let's say you deposited $100 your first day, and then 5 days later you decided to deposit another $100. All of them combined together will be $200. However, within the smart contract, the days will be different. Okay, so you started your first 360 days on Monday, for example, and then your second 360 days started on Friday. Okay, so those 2 days will be different, and when you complete contract term, you will be given back each of those deposits that you have made. That is how it works in PopMax. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. If you would like to join my team in PopMax, the link to do so is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Remember that I am always here to help you. You can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or even Facebook Messenger, and I will be able to jump on a call with you and help you get set up. Otherwise, the instructions I have left below this video description should be able to help you to get started. Okay, I have listed all the steps. If you follow all the steps, you should be fine to get started. Otherwise, just watch the video that I have also put in the link below this video description. That video will show you exactly how to get started, how to register from step 1 to the last step, and then you will begin to earn your 1% daily return on your staking. Guys, that is it. Thank you, and God bless.